Let's talk about a common challenge many of us face while working on a CRM, managing constant follow-ups from customers, which can feel like a full-time job. It doesn't matter if it's a refund request or an order status, the back and forth emails really add up. That's why we are diving into external record sharing in Bigin today. It's a powerful way to give your clients live access to their data without the clutter. We'll show you how to set this up so everyone stays on the same page effortlessly. Moving right into the heart of the matter, we need to understand what external record sharing actually does for our daily operations. Think of it as a window into your pipeline. Instead of a customer calling to ask where their request stands, we can provide them with a unique link that shows the real-time status of their record. For our example today, we are going to look at a refund processing pipeline. When a customer submits a form on our website, Bigin captures that data. With this feature, we can automatically share the progress of that specific refund so the customer sees exactly when it moves from received to in progress or completed. Now, before we can start sharing, we have to enable the feature within our specific pipeline. To do this, we head over to the pipeline view and look for the More icon, which is right next to the pipeline name. When we click that, we will see the option for external sharing. The first thing we want to do is switch on the Enable Sharing toggle. Safety is always a priority for us, so we also recommend switching on the Enable OTP option. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a one-time password sent to the customer's email. It ensures that only the intended recipient can actually view the sensitive details of the record. Continuing with the setup, we have full control over what information is visible to the outside world. By clicking on the Edit Sharing Permission button, we get a list of all the fields associated with that record. We can simply uncheck any internal data we want to keep private. For instance, in a refund scenario, we might want the customer to see the product name and the current stage, but maybe we want to hide internal notes or specific contact details. We can even go deeper and select which specific stages of the pipeline are visible. If there's a stage like internal review that might be confusing for a client, we can just uncheck it so it stays hidden from their view. After we've picked the right data fields, it's time to make the page look professional. We can customize the shared page by adding our company logo and naming the page something clear, like Your Refund Status. There's also an option to show the stage history. This is great if we want the customer to see the journey of their request, including the dates it moved through different steps. Once we're happy with how it looks, we just hit Save. At this point, our configuration is ready, and we can choose to share records either manually or through automation. Taking it a step further, let's look at how we can automate this so we don't have to think about it every time. We go into Settings and find the Automation section, then click on the Workflow tab. We create a new workflow and associate it with our refund processing module. We set the trigger to go off whenever a new refund claim is created. We can apply this to all claims or set specific criteria, like only sharing records for Premier members. Once the conditions are set, the action we choose is Share Claim Externally. This allows us to craft an automated email that goes out the moment a record hits the pipeline, containing that secure link for the customer. To see this in action, we can imagine creating a new claim right now. As soon as we save the details in Bigin, the system triggers that workflow and sends the email. On the customer's end, they receive a clean email with a link. When they click it, they'll be prompted to enter an OTP for verification. Once they're in, they see a beautiful real-time dashboard showing exactly where their refund stands. If we move that record to a new stage in our CRM, it updates on their screen instantly. It really cuts down on the "Is it done yet?" emails because the answer is right there in front of them. Besides the automated route, there are times when we might want to share a record manually. If we're dealing with a specific case, we can open any record in Bigin and click the External Record Sharing icon. From there, we can copy a direct link to send via WhatsApp or SMS, or we can trigger a manual email right from the interface. It's also important to know that we can revoke access at any time. If a case is closed or we no longer want the link to be active, we just go back into the record and hit Unshare Record. This immediately kills the link and ensures our data remains secure. Finally, we should mention that this isn't just for customers. We can use this to collaborate with team members who might not have full access to our CRM. For example, if we need a salesperson to verify a specific detail on a refund, we can share the record with them. It allows them to see the necessary information without us having to give them full permissions for the entire pipeline. Ultimately, external record sharing in Bigin is a big deal for transparency and efficiency. It empowers your customers with information while freeing your team from repetitive manual updates. We highly recommend setting up an automated workflow for your most active pipelines to see the benefits immediately. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.